Message for you, sir. What the? Hey, welcome to Rusty Bow. The king hath declared, because of this fine day, a day off from the fields in which to just practice archery for military readiness. So you know what that means. Day off. Stay tuned. Alright, I'm going to try to empty the quiver of doom, see how many I can get in the target. See how many I can make to the target. Just to the right. See how this one does. Ooh, arc just below it. We'll go down there if I hit the target. We'll see how it did. Not that one. Yeah, let's get it back. Yeah, we're not gonna pull any of these out until the end. We're just gonna see how many we can stick into this makeshift target that I've made. Ooh, well, I hit the post. This one ought to be interesting. Hopefully. Fell short. These heavier ones, I'm going to have to arc more, I think. Oh, that went to the right. You can probably figure out these are going to be a real joy to find after I'm done here. Unless I get them all on the target, which I not so far, most of them. That just barely missed. If this hits the target, this ought to be fun. This is one of the really big ones. Oh! Damn! Now the one just prior to this one, I might have broken because the way that hit. But as you see, I've got 3 in there. I've got some, oh yeah, that sure looks like it broke. Yeah, okay. We'll get back on that one. I think this is the one that shot just prior. That, okay, no. That one is not the one I was thinking of. That's the one that broke. That's the one that hit weird. See how that one does. Oh, short. All right, there's one of my older ones. No, to the right. I will be sad if this one breaks. This was a fun one. Oh, to the left. This one already broke once. That's why it's modified to look like it is. So it's a veteran. Look at that. I saw something fly. I don't know what that might be, but that's the one I just shot, so I think we're okay. It's just gonna be fun getting these out of there. This one's hit a few posts. Oh, just missed it. All right, let's see how this one goes. Oh man, I thought that was gonna hit. Took a dive at the last second. All right, see how this goes. Oh, let's go look at that. This one hit on the left. Yep. And it is poking out through the plywood. All right. I think this is another survivor post. Just missed. Now this one's kind of funny because this is the one that started all. This is like a gun show knife that wasn't put together too well. It was Belisong, but I saved the blade for something and ended up putting it on a stick and making an arrowhead out of it. Doesn't fly great though. So this is one of those big ones that I'm gonna put some mark in. I'm gonna get it down there. Yeah, no way. Didn't make it. Another big one. Nope. And yet another big, might as well call it a mini spear. Well, I'd love to get one of these at the target, but they don't fly well. Now, this is my socketed arrowhead. It's heavy. Might make it down there, we'll see. Beautiful day, huh? Don't get too many of these around here. But I hear it's going to be a hot summer, so maybe we'll get a bunch more. It'd be great. That almost hit a post. This is another veteran of the posts. Crow feather fletchings. Nope. This is last week's arrow. Arrowhead, I should say. Well, that hit something, but it wasn't the shield. This is definitely one I don't want to break, but you know, if you make them and you don't shoot them, then what good are they, right? I don't make wall hanging arrows. Just under. You'd think I'd be doing a lot better, right? Okay, let's go look at that. And it is certainly starting to turn into a mess around here. But that's what I got so far. What do we got here? Oh yeah, this has been broken before. Oh, hit the post, something broke. Man, Zeus's Thunderbolt. I don't want to break this. Ooh. Oh, it's in the hay somewhere. God, I have no idea if this manages to hit the target, what it's going to do. Probably break. Well, I guess we'll find out. This one is the three-sided, the triangular arrow that I made before I made the Yari. Inspired me to go ahead and make the Yari. Just hit hay. Alright, this ought to be fun. Theoretically. Or not. Alright, I got another needler here. Let's see what this does. Not high confidence though, the fletchings aren't great. Oh, a little to the left. I can't believe I'm gonna shoot these. I'd break these. This isn't good. I don't have to make more. Well, sort of. You know what? I got another one handy. We'll throw that down too. Nope. Yeah, it is a mess down here. You can see the ones that fell short. Oh, there's one too, crow feather. And how many did I get in? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I only got 6 in out of the whole quiver of doom. And I got a broken one there, and I got a bunch down here, and I'm not sure, but I think I got some back here too. Yeah, what a mess, huh? 1, 2, you see. So you see how many I actually missed with. That's pretty pathetic. So most of these arrows aren't like awesome arrows, frankly. But if they had a better archer, it'd be more in the target. Okay, so out of the ones that stuck in. It actually poked through. Well, there is that one. There's that one. There's that one. And everything else, not so much. So, well, I just noticed that the arrow I broke, well, it is missing a piece. You know what that piece is? It is right there. And that is what the Quiver of Doom looks like when it's full. Hey, thanks for hanging out. Bunch of silliness, huh? Just wanted to have a day, you know, and away from the forge and just do some archery and bust out the Quiver of Doom. So it's been a pretty good day. I'm about to go have a better one. So hope you had a good week. I will see you on the other side of this one. You stay well. Be good.